Hey guys, it's Daps here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited to have you join me. If you run an e-commerce website and you use WooCommerce, this tutorial is for you because I want to be sharing the awesome free plugin that will change the way you run your WooCommerce store. This will literally help you manage inventory. As a matter of fact, it is a must-have plugin for every WooCommerce. And the amazing part is that you can use it literally for free without boring you, without talking all over your head. Let's go to my laptop screen and let me show you this awesome, fantastic WordPress plugin. I have a demo website here. Basically, it's just demo. And I have WooCommerce installed. You can see that we are selling plants here. We are selling home decor. And fantastic. Let's see exactly how we can use this fantastic plugin to help us manage this WordPress website. So let's come to the dashboard. So I'll just come here to dashboard. And let's see what we have. You can see I have WooCommerce installed here. And if I come here, I'll be able to see my orders. I'll be able to see my customer. But you see, it's just difficult to manage things from here. I've not received an order. Like I told you here, this is a demo website. But basically, let's come to plugin. Let's come to add a new plugin. And let's install this plugin. And let's see exactly how this plugin will help us. So the plugin here is called ATUM. I hope that's the pronunciation, but it's spelled ATUM. And you can see this is the plugin here. It's called ATUM WooCommerce Inventory Management and Stock Tracking. Let's install this plugin and let's activate this plugin. So immediately that is done, we can now see that we now have ATUM inventory here and we can easily come to our dashboard. Good stuff. So if you come down here, we'll now begin to see statistics of exactly what we are doing on our store. You can see sales. We can filter our sales to lost sales, to promo sales, to others. We can filter this duration with this year, previous year, this month, previous month, this week, previous week. And then you can see if you over on this here, you can see this is a line chart. We can see the line here that tells us what we are doing on our store in this line sequence. Unfortunately, this is new. If you install this on an existing WooCommerce store where you are making sales, you'll be able to see how this will differ in terms of statistics for each month. And also you can switch this to area chart. So this will also give you this area overview. And then you can switch this to a bar chart. Unfortunately, I don't have anything here to see those bars for each month of this year. And that's it. I can also switch this from this year. I can say for just this month alone. And you expect to see now the bar chart for individual days of this month to 30 days, right? Super cool. So here again, you have option to filter this down by sales or by product. So you'll be able to see that here in your chart. Super cool stuff. That's not everything you can do. You can still come down here. You will be able to see the sales that you have done today in terms of value and how many product has been sold. These would also have the currency that your store automatically is using. By default here, my currency is US dollars. So if you're using other currencies, you'll be able to see that here. You can also filter this down to today or this month. You will see what you're doing also in lost sales. You can also filter this down to today or this month, and you will see which product also is giving you this lost sales. And the orders that have been made on your store, you'll be able to see that also, and also for promo sales. It gets more beautiful. If you come down here, you'll be able to see your stock control. From here, you will see in stock how many products you have, your restock status, your out of stock status, then the unmanaged product here, which I have 6. And also again, by the far right hand corner here is your current stock value. From here, you can come to categories, all categories. So these are the categories I have. I just have indoor plants and then uncategorized, and then all product type from simple to downloadable product to visual to variable product. You will also be able to filter them down here. If you install this plugin newly, it may be difficult for you to pull your stock here for you to see. If we come to product here, let's come to all product. Let's see every product we have in stock. So you can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products here, but again, they are unnamed product inside of ATUM, but we want this plugin to be able to see this product live. So we can, by default here, come here, and then let's come to the settings. Okay, let's close this pop-up. And a lot of things we can do here inside of the settings, but basically let's just come to tools from here. And we can come here to manage stock. If you click here, you can see on manage. For manage stock, we can update this now. Do you want to do that? Yes, let's run this. Okay, we can do this for everything here. For controlled stock, uncontrolled stock, we can update this. We just want to run this plugin to interact with our WooCommerce product for you to be able to pick every product we have in store. This is just for out of stock threshold. This one is for calculated properties. I'll leave this. This is for transient. Also, I'll also want to clear this so that we can generate new ones. This is good. Now let's come back to our dashboard. Let's see if this plugin is able to pick our product right now. So if you come down here, so you can see now we now have 6 products in stock. Super good, super amazing, right? That's exactly how to get this done. So let's come back to settings. Let's see a few things we can still do inside of settings. So for general options here, you can enable admin bar menu. This one here, so that you can easily come down here. If you don't want it, you can just easily toggle this off. And if you do that, it will not take it off until you hit save changes button here. Like if you do this, you can see that is gone from there. Super easy, right? Out of stock threshold per product, you can turn that on in case you want to. Decimal in stock quantity, you might want to set that. Stock quantity steps, you can see here quite a number of things this would help you manage, and I think this is super awesome. I really don't want to go through this. If not, we might be here for maybe another 1 hour. That's crazy. So for your store details, yes, I don't want to save. So here you can specify your company name. This is extremely important. Your VAT numbers. This is extremely important if you really want ATUM to help you manage your store. You can use this to set your suppliers, and then you can use it to possibly even place orders. And then you have your details here. You can use it to print an invoice like a PDF, and you have all your details already there. So this is extremely important. If you're using this for the very first time, come here to fill all the details here. And let's go to the next one here, which is the advanced. I probably won't even mess with anything here. I'm not sure I have done that here. Let's come to modules. And then the dashboard, definitely we want the stock central. I will just leave all of this the way they are. And then let's come to our stock central. So you can see everything that this plugin is managing for you. Everything here is turned on by default. If there are other aspects of your store that you don't want this plugin to manage for you, you can just come here, for example, like email, like product name. You can just turn that off here. But I'm going to leave this the way they are. Product per page, it says 20. Days to reorder, it says 14. You might want to maybe change this to, let's say, days to reorder. Let's say just 3 days to reorder. Based on what you're selling, really, there's no particular dates that fit all for everyone. So just feel free here to come and make changes here. And always remember that once you make changes here, hit the save changes button up here for that changes to take effect. So now let's come to visual. So as you can see here, I don't want to save, just continue. And then for visual settings, you might want to go the branded mode, you might want to go the dark mode, you might want to go the high contrast mode. Whatever work for you is good. If you also have brand colors, you want to specify your colors here, so everything you are doing here with ATUM picks that brand color, and I think that's super awesome. You can see this here, a lot you can work with basically from here. So that's it. We have also come to tools here, and I think that's good stuff. So that's everything we can do. So now you can come to your stock central to begin to manage your stock. You can begin to filter things down. We can filter this down by manage stock and all of that. We can filter this down by categories. Basically, the only thing we have here is just one category. Product type, whether it is group or simple or is a downloadable product, we can do that here. And we have extra filters here too as well. Super good. So if you come down here to one product, you can click into this. this will launch the product here, where you can begin to maybe edit the product, change the image, do whatever it is that you want to do from here. So let's go back as well. You can see if you hover on this, it will tell you what type of product it is. This is a simple product. Another thing this plugin allows you to do is to manage your SKU. So if you click this, you can set SKU for this. Let's say this is just 001, right? I can set this, and to prevent data loss, please hit the blue button to save this. Yes, I will do that. So you can see, but again, this is not done here. I would also want to hit the save changes here for us to make the changes. So also, if you have a barcode, we can also click this here to put in the code for our barcode and then set that, but I don't have that here. You can also set a supplier for this, but I don't have that as well. And then the supplier SKU, we can also add location. Maybe we should just save this first. So let's just go to do other things, and then we can come back here. It will be good for us to be able to maybe set a supplier and do all this kind of other stuff. So right now, let's just come here to our suppliers. Maybe we should start from there. It's a good place to start. You can see you can just begin to add a supplier. You may have suppliers from AliExpress. You can have suppliers from anywhere all around the world, whatever. You can just say Daps Digital. This is just random supplier code. I can say 0012 as well. I can put the VAT for the supplier, phone number, fax, website, all the details here you can add. You can choose the currency that you work with this. So it's possible that you operate with US dollars on your store, but for this particular supplier, you have them maybe in the United Arab Emirates, and then you deal with dirham. That's possible. Add their address here, choose their country, whatever it is. I really don't want to waste time here. Put their state, their zip code here, every information about your supplier. And then in case you have a team of people, you have several users or managers on your store that manage different aspects of your store, you can just add a user to the supplier. So that user or that manager on your store is the one who is assigned to this supplier to maybe place an order, manage the stock, or manage the reorder, or whatever it is you do, which is a fantastic feature. And then you can add location, discount, tax rate, and all those kind of things. Lead time in terms of date, cancellation policies. You can also add custom fields here if there are specific things that you still want to collect. So just feel free to play with these, and then once you're done, you can come up here. You can set a featured image here, so there's no need for that. You can just publish your supplier. The next thing we can also still work on is our inventory logs. Let's come down there so you can see we don't have any. We can add a new inventory log. The first thing here is our log type. This is for reserved stock. This can be for customer returns, for warehouse damage, for lost in post, or other log that you want to do. So this is for reserved stock. We can leave this. The log date, we can give it any particular date of our choice, and then the time, the reservation date as well. We can also set a time there, a date, and also a time to as well, hour, minute. And then the status here says pending. We can make this complete. From here, we can search our order if we have any order on our store, and then we search for that order, and then we link that order here, and then we can put a description to that. So for that order, again, we can now begin to add items, right? So let's come here, let's add a product. We can search for any product on our store. Let's say, let's search for any random product. So any product as regards that will pop up here. We can add that here. We can add the fee, we can add shipping cost, we can see a lot of things we can add here. So for the fee here, let's just say this is just $10 US. Let's hit the enter button. Right, so we can see the product itself is $90, and then we have a fee here of $10, and we have $100 there. So you can add as many items as possible. You can add fees, you can do quite a number of things. You can add custom fields too as well. And once you're done, you can update, or this published. Immediately I did that, you can see log updated. You can add a note here for your log. So you can keep inventory on your store, and I think this is super good. So now let's come back to our inventory log here. So you can see here, this is now completed. And then we can come to our inbound stock. So for our inbound stock here, we can see we don't have any product here, and that's okay. But if you do, you'll be able to find that here. And then our purchase orders too as well. Let's come down here. We can see our purchase order here. We don't have anyone. We can add a new PO, which is purchasing order. You can make this a multiple supplier. We can also make this a singular. If this is singular, we can from here search our supplier. So I created one as Daps earlier. So let's make this search. So you can see the supplier is here, Daps Digital. We can make our purchase date here. We can set this as time, and we can make this pending or make this maybe ordered or on the way, or is received or is receiving, whatever it is. We can update the status as the time goes on. So right now we can say this is pending, expected at location date. We can specify that date here. I can just say 20th. Maybe we can leave the time bare. We can give a description here for this purchase, and then we can add our items here just exactly like I did earlier. I can add a product here. Let me just type the same product, Zen. I can't even remember the name of the product on the store. So let's add that here. Feel free to add shipping fee if you must, and then you can also create maybe custom fields, and that's it for this. You can add a note here, and you can see you can generate a PDF here, and that's exactly what I'm saying earlier. If you have your details, so let's generate PDF. Let's see exactly what that will look like. So you can see this, because I've not added my details here. You can see I don't have my details here. You can see this is the details of the supplier, Daps Digital. But if I have the full details of the supplier, I'll be able to see all of them here. If I also have the full details of my own store here, if I feel that, I'll be able to see that here where they are shipping to. And then this place will not be blank. All my details will be here. So that's the reason why it's extremely important for you to be able to fill all your details so that you can have this here. You can easily download this up here and then share this, something like that. Super, super good, right? So once you're done here, you can just easily just create this purchasing order or purchasing order, whatever it is. That's it. So we can come to our stock central right now. So now that we have some stuff here, like we have a supplier now, if I click here now, I can add a supplier. So I can just type in Daps. Let me leave it at Dap. Okay, Daps is here, so I can set this. For my supplier SKU, I can add that here too as well. I can just say 01 right now. That's it right now. And also this one here is location. I can set a location for this. No location was set for this product, so I can edit my location here, but I'm going to leave that the way it is. So right now for our sale price, I can just say this regular price is 90. Let's say we want to do a sale and I want to sell this at maybe $80. That's 800. Let's do 80. I can also select a start time. So let's say we want to start from today, which is good, and then we want to do this for just 24 hours, and this will end the next date, so we can set that here. So for us to be able to see what this plugin can do, let's save this so that this would update. That's extremely important. So we now have a regular price here and a sale price here. Let's say again we want to set our purchase price, because this is where this plugin will be able to do the magic we want it to do. So let's say that I bought this product here for $10. So I bought it, maybe $10 is not realistic. Let's say I bought it for $40, and then I am selling regularly for $90. That's me making $50 profit, but I'm making a sale right now. So let's set this, and then let's save this. So once I do that, you can see that automatically the plugin is able to generate my gross profit, which is now 50%. And if I over on this, I can see what my profit will now be $40. So just overing on this, and that's good. So I can also set my stock. I can say in stock I have just maybe 50 in stock. I can do this, and then I can set also my low stock threshold. So I want to escalate this as low stock once I'm hitting 10 because of how I order, and then I'm going to set this, and that's it. I can just save this, and voila, you can see this is now here. So we can see this right now. Once this is eating low stock, then I will know from here that, yeah, my stock is low, I need to reorder. And then I have 50 in stock here. I can see my profit. This will let you know what product you're selling, how to do sales on your store, what your profit margins will look like. And this plugin is just very, very, very fantastic, helping you manage everything here, even to barcode on your WooCommerce store, literally for free. They have add-ons here, and that's where I'm really, really excited to see exactly what add-ons they have. Super good here. Yeah, this tutorial here is not sponsored by ATUM, so I'm not trying to market this to you, but I just want to just check them out for you to see exactly what you can do. Barcode Pro here, you can start for free. You can purchase a license. Transform your inventory management with our barcodes add-on. I really have not used it before. I really don't know what that would look like. But again, if I'm able to lay my hands on all of these, I would definitely update them here to let you know what the experience is like. I might just start a free trial soon, and then I would update you on all of that. Stock takes here is another one here. So it's like stock taking is called inventory counting. Is a crucial process for business to ensure accuracy, optimize operation, maintain profitability by conducting regular stock takes. So you want to let this plugin help you do that take talk, so that at least you know when your stock is going down, and you know where your stock is high, you know when to, you can easily reorder, all those kind of stuff. Super, super good, sir. Pick and pack, unleash the power of our inventory to pick and pack premium add-on and transform your inventory management. Whatever that is, I really don't know. But I'm going to experiment with all the add-ons as much as possible as I can, and then I'm going to let you know how this is doing. Purchase Order Pro here as well. Action Logs, Export Pro, this will help you generate XML, CSV, and JSON file. That's good. Multi-inventory, product levels. Then their mobile app. Oh, that's fantastic. You'll be able to manage your stock on your e-commerce store from anywhere quickly and easily through our ATUM app, which is fantastic. So these are fantastic add-ons that they have that would supercharge your WooCommerce store. But what they have at the free is value added. You can manage your WooCommerce store easily using this, even at the free, and I think I love it. So that's it. So just go experiment with ATUM, and feel free to let me know your result in the comment section. I'll be looking out for feedbacks using this tool if this is super, super helpful. But using this on a live WooCommerce store, this has been super, super helpful. At the free is fantastic. That's my time for this tutorial. If you find it useful, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. I'll be looking out for them. I will see you in another tutorial, and until then, take good care of yourself.